We're here today because we're holding our annual car show. It's a fundraiser so we can raise toys and money so we can buy gifts for our kids in our community.
This is a car show that we've done to be able to raise money and have all these cool cars and these owners of these beautiful cars come and donate toys so that we can give them to kids here from the community in Northeast in Los Angeles.
Today we have over 250 cars. We have over 300 to 400 people. The reason for the car show here at the Police Academy is because of its history. Show that, hey, this is a community event. We do it together, and what better location than the Police Academy?
We're part of a car team, and it's good to see that there's women being a part of teams and building their cars and driving cars also, so ladies can do this as well, to go ahead and, bring their cars, show us what they drive, and, let them know that, that ladies can also build a car.
I grew up in this community. I was born and raised here, so it's a blessing to be able to give back to kids and to be able to make their Christmas, especially after last year's pandemic. It feels good to be back and to put a smile on a lot of people's faces.
Come into our station, let's continue the relationship, let's do this toy giveaway together and give it to all the needy families in our area.